Ďakujeme veľmi pekne. Záverečným vystúpením nášho programu je pieseň I Put a Spell on You, ktorú nás zaspieva Paťo Šarkezi.
I put a spell on you because you're mine. You better stop the things you're doing. I said, watch out. Cause around and around, but all I can stand is to pulling me down. So I put a spell on you, oh yeah, because you're mine. Watch out, I am alive. Cause baby, you're loving it. Can you see that I love you? I love you, I love you, love me, loving me too. Can you feel that time? So I put a spell on you. Oh yeah, because you're mine.